Hey everybody, so this is Coinbase.com. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to invest in cryptocurrency, and it's also very safe. Coinbase is known to keep a lot of their holdings offline, and it's also federally insured up to 250,000, just like a stock trading account would be or a bank account would be. So, um, those are the benefits of Coinbase. I will say that you don't get a ton of variety, so you could trade 42 cryptocurrencies on here, and then my other option would be crypto.com. I think you can trade about 80 cryptocurrencies. Um, and those are if you're US based. I think those are the two safest websites and easiest to use. Back to Coinbase though. So here's a home page. You got your portfolio balance. We're down a little bit this week, and then you can see your actual portfolio here. So you have your holdings, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I just took 1,000 out to buy a computer. Uniswap, Algorand, just some of the coins that I like. Quite a bit. You can go in prices, so you can look at tradable assets is what you can trade on Coinbase. You can look at every cryptocurrency that is worldwide, so you can see popular options like Polkadot, Cardano. You can't buy here yet, but I'm guessing in the near future you will be able to. I'll show you how a transaction works in this. So if you want to buy some Ethereum, you're just going to hit trade. You type in the amount you want to do. One-time purchase. So it's 50 bucks. I'm paying with my Chase Bank account. So here's the fee, $2 on 50. So I'm going to be able to get $48 worth of Ethereum, and it's going to be, and that'll show up. So now let's change this to 500. So just so you can see how much the fees are. So now your fee went from $2 to $7.34. So that's kind of why I suggest when you are using Coinbase that you do larger transactions because and just pay less fees. Do larger but less transactions. You can always convert these once you deposit it in. Let's just do this. Once you deposit this into Coinbase, you can convert this into another cryptocurrency for no fees. Let's do that. Your order was submitted, done. So now I can convert. So say if I want to convert this, so let's say if I want to convert $100 from Ethereum to Bitcoin, you preview this convert. So there's the amount. 0 fees right here. Coinbase is not taking a fee for converting. So I do this all the time. Say Ethereum goes up 20% in one day, then I'm going to convert that and I'm going to go put it into one of my other cryptocurrencies like Algorand, who maybe was only up 5% that day, just to avoid fees, but still kind of capitalize on those gains. And yeah, there you go. That's how you buy on there, and it's the same way for selling. Yeah, and then you got and this is just kind of advertisements, articles you can read about. This is where the fun part on Coinbase. So earn rewards. So everyone you invite here on Coinbase, you can get $10 deposited into your account if they spend 100. So that's 10% gain right there for them right off the bat, and you also get 10 bucks. And then here's all you can do your staking. So staking in cryptocurrency is basically like earning interest on a savings account. So this is usually for the year, so 5% a year, which is way better than you're going to get with any bank account in the United States. And this is 0.15, which is about what you would get on a US bank account, which is minuscule. It's almost nothing. They also have a way, this is probably another cool feature I like about Coinbase, is you can earn rewards by watching videos and learning about cryptocurrency. So they reward you to watch these 2-minute, 3-minute videos. You can take a question after You answer a question at the end of each video, and bam, $2 deposited, $2 deposited, $2 deposited. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, right now you could do 5. I mean, I think I've done maybe 10 total. We can do one right now. So, I mean, this is literally free money you can get for cryptocurrencies, which is awesome. So this one's not a video, it's just reading. Numerai is a type of crowdsourced hedge fund run by a global community of data scientists. Okay, that's cool. Data scientists and AI engineers of all backgrounds can submit. Anyone with machine learning experience can build an AI model for Numerai. So this is interesting. Cool. What's the point of this coin then? That is cool. They want to be a hedge fund. They want to be a decentralized trading platform. Who submits predictions to Numerai? So here you go. Global community of data scientists. Bam, you earned $1 next lesson. Super easy. This is powered by Ethereum. So you can stake the tokens. Supply will only decrease. That is very interesting. Why did so right there, easy. See how easy these are? $1, $1, $1. You know, I've probably earned about $60 on just taking these little quizzes like this. Yada yada yada. Predictive modeling, interesting. Yeah, kind of boring stuff. Oh, I didn't see this, but I'm just gonna guess it, and you'll see what happens. Let's do this. 1 gigabyte sounds right. Not it. Try again. 1 megabyte. Nothing. There you go. So you get it wrong, you get a guess again. Super easy. I just earned $3, and those noises you're hearing is it depositing into my account. So that's cool. And there's pretty much the gist of Coinbase. I'll say it's a really easy to use platform. This is on my computer, but the app looks pretty much exactly like this. You know, here's some more rewards you can earn. The only negatives I found with Coinbase are the fees are really high. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrency long term, this is a great website. If you plan on buying some cryptocurrency when it's low, selling when it's high, buying back when it's low, and selling high again, then I wouldn't use this site just because their fees are a little higher every time you buy and sell. But if you're doing, you know, $1,000 deposit a month, 500 a month, 100 a month in there, then the fees aren't too bad. You know, they're I think 3%, you know, for every transaction. So not too bad. Overall, I'd give Coinbase great reviews. And if you guys want to sign up, please use my link so I can get the $10 and help grow this crypto account. I firmly believe in cryptocurrency in the long run. You just look at today's world. You know, a lot of people are doing businesses online. They're doing business overseas. And if you want to, currently, if you want to do a transaction overseas, you're going to have to use PayPal to be the quickest method, or you're going to have to go to your bank and wire transfer money, which can take up to 3 days. So one use of Bitcoin, Ethereum, any of these coins is you can purchase assets in overseas in Mexico or China, and they can instantly be deposited with Bitcoin to their accounts, and your product can be shipped a lot faster and manufactured a lot faster with quick payments. So it's just it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be slow now, but you'll see in the next 5 years when global trade opens back up. People are doing a lot more global trading. I think the cryptocurrencies are really gonna take off. And yeah, well, here's my video. Thank you guys for watching. yeah, I'll try and make more content about cryptocurrencies. See you later.